Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Dionna here. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you click off this video. This is going to be a tutorial on how I do my sleek ponytails with swoop bangs. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my natural hair prepared to go into a sleek type ponytail. So I'm going to take a comb, a rat tail comb, and just do a deep side part, kind of curvy. I don't want it going straight back. And then I'm going to brush the front of, basically the bang part. I'm going to brush all that hair to the front just to position it the way I know that I want it to lay. So then I'm going to take some edge control. I'm not going to put, any gel or anything in my hair because I don't want my hair to curl up. And I'm going to use this to sleek, my edges down and make sure all of that is laid so that nothing's all out of place. And I like to take a little bit and rub it together on my hands and just put it on the bang area as well, just to make sure there's no flyaways or anything. And now I'm going to just start to brush the hair into the ponytail basically. And now here, I'm going to just take the bang part of the hair and just place it behind my ear. I haven't actually, perfected the swoop yet. This is just so I get an idea of where I want it to lay. And I'm going to take a oustrich band and tie it around my hair a few times. I want it to be pretty tight. And this is what you should have. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to just twist it and I'm going to wrap it around into a little tiny bun. You don't want your bun to be big because then it's going to make the ponytail look real bulky and weird. So make sure you get it as tight as you can. Now is when I'm going to go in and actually perfect my swoop and get it to lay exactly how I want it to lay. So I'm going to take a little bit of oil because I want it to shine, and put that on the bang area, and this actually helps it to lay down too. Then I'm going to take some Pump It Up spritz, and this is going to mold it to basically where it won't move and my hair won't be moving around and stuff. Because you see how I have those spaces on the bang, you can see my forehead. The Pump It Up is going to make it to where all of the hair sticks together once it starts to dry, so that I won't have that problem. So here I'm just combing it the way I want it to lay and trying to, get it as sleek as I can. Then, because I'm not going to be using any bobby pins really to hold it down, I'm going to put some spritz back there on the end of the hair and right here at the front, because I don't want any bobby pins really showing. So that was pretty much my only option. And it stuck pretty good for the most part. I ended up having to use one little bobby pin right behind my ear though, but you're gonna see it, so it all worked out. And I'm gonna take some of the spritz on my fingertips and just rub it on the ends of my hairs just to make sure that they don't pop up or frizz up or anything. And there is the bobby pin I was telling y'all about, the only hairpin I used, and it's right behind my ear. You literally cannot even see it. So then I'm gonna go in with some more edge control and put it on my edges and my sideburns and just get those intact. My sideburns are really long, so whenever I do mine, the end is curly. I've gotten used to it, but if you have that problem and you don't like it, you can put it all up into the ponytail. You don't have to swoop them down. This is just what I like to do. Now I'm going to take a silk scarf and I'm going to tie this around my head really tight to make sure that everything is laid and set in place. Now the ponytail I'm going to be using is Citrus Equal. I forgot the name. I'll list it in the description box. It's a synthetic ponytail. When I do my ponytails, I always use synthetic hair. Just because, I mean, I'm not going to go buy this is like a 24-inch ponytail. I'm not going to go buy a 24-inch bundle just to do a ponytail. So this is what I use mainly. And it's a drawstring ponytail. So it comes with 2 clips. So you just clip it at the top, clip it at the bottom, and wrap the string around and pull it to make it tight. So now that it's on, I'm going to brush it out. Because, synthetic hair does tangle up sometimes. Then I'm going to take a piece from the back, brush that out, and I'm going to use this to tie it around, like to wrap it around the ponytail so that it's not just, the ponytail in my hair. It actually looks natural. And you guys will see what I mean when you see the finished product. And now I'm gonna take the scarf off after it's been sitting. It's been like 2 minutes, regardless of how fast the video is going. It was on for like 2 minutes. And this is what you should have. I'm gonna take the brush and just brush it out one more time. Just make sure it's really sleek. And this is the finished product. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Let me know how y'all felt about this look. If you have any suggestions for what I should do different, you guys can list all that in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, and I will see y'all next time.